Hello and welcome. In this quick tutorial, we're going to do the Valorant wave. Now, getting started, we have a clip here in our timeline. Going to go to this clip that I've isolated, right click on it, new Fusion clip. We're then going to right click on it again, open in Fusion page. Once you've brought your clip into Fusion, hit the Shift space bar, bring up this menu. We're going to add a merge node, and then up here in empty space, again, Shift and space bar, going to bring in a dent node. We're going to connect that dent to our clip. We're going to change the dent type to sign dent. Drag this up to the viewer so we can see it. We're going to change our strength to 1.87. Right click on size, modify, and on curves. Go up to your modifiers tab. Here under scale, we're going to change that to 3. Offset, we're going to change it to 1. At this point, we'll bring in a color correction node. Going to increase our gain slider a little bit. We'll choose a color, right click on tint, modify with shake. We'll again go up to our modifiers tab, change our maximum to 2. At this point, we're going to add a displace node. We're going to take our refraction strength to 0.54, our spread to 3. We'll add a fast noise node to empty space. We'll connect that to our displace node. We're going to change our scale to 20 and our seethe rate to 0.8. We're going to connect this displace to our merge node. Highlight your merge node, go up to apply mode, screen, right click on blend. We're going to modify with shake. Go up to your modifiers tab. We're going to bring our minimum to 0.1, our maximum to 0.5. We're going to drop our smoothness down to 6. At this point, add another displace node after your merge node. Connect your dent to the green on the displace. Increase your refraction to 2 and your spread to 3. Playing through the clip, it should look something like this. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for future DaVinci tutorials.